This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to convert from grams to ounces online. So I like to use this calculator right here. You can see the URL on the screen. I'll put that in the video description as it's quite long. So you can just click on that link and you will wind up right here. So by default, it is in common grams. That's G, so you can use this for sort of cooking amounts and things like that. You can also select right here troygrams for precious materials like gold, silver, etc. But we'll just keep it on common grams for now. So all you do is you put your value in here and you will convert to ounces by default right here, and it'll give you the value. So let's say we were doing to 120 grams, for instance. We can find out instantly that that is in fact 4.233 ounces. Very detailed here, so if you need to copy and paste that into a document or something, or if you're just in a kitchen and you actually want to find out what this is, maybe you're using some recipes from a different country or something, 402 grams is apparently 14.180 in ounces. So you can bookmark this page, whether you're on your cell phone, your mobile phone, tablet, desktop, wherever you are in the world, you can use this. So I recommend bookmarking it. Hopefully you have found this video on how to convert from grams to ounces useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.